What's going on, YouTube? Oh my gosh, I'm making another video. Roll these windows up because I can't hear myself. I'm such in a good mood right now. I don't know how to explain it, man. But if y'all not subscribed, man, make sure to subscribe. I make POV drives in my Q50, and you know, making videos on the progress of my Q50. My car is bone. Well, it's not modified that crazy. I bought it bone stock. I got a heat exchanger, some boosted 6 intakes, a catch can. I upgraded my oil pan. What else? Yeah, that's basically about it. Everything else is cosmetic, lip, tint, stuff like that. But yeah, man, if y'all do like Q50 content, y'all like POV drive content, man, don't forget to subscribe and turn my notifications on so y'all get updated when I do post. Anyways, we on the way to, I don't know if y'all can hear the intakes on video. On video, hold on, let me roll the windows down so see if I can hear it. So much wind distortion. I don't know if y'all be able to hear it though. I don't know how loud you can hear it on video. I'm thinking about getting a carbon fiber hood with vents. That'll for sure, like when you open the hood, like these intakes, bro, the VR30 platform, the Q50 VR30 platform, the intake, damn, bro, every time I start getting technical, I start stuttering. The fuck, bro, the turbos are mad quiet. It's not like any turbos on the B50A, like, or what's it called, Pure, whatever, what is it called, Pure, fuck, bro, the Pure turbos, I forget what, Pure 850s or Pure 800 or something like that. But anyways, like turbos like that is gonna be crazy, like they're gonna sound nice, but the turbos on the VR30 stock, they don't sound that loud. And I don't even think the aftermarket ones that Z1 sells are that loud either. It's just the platform is not that but you know, the turbos are quiet. Anyways, I'm trying to get a carbon fiber hood with vents in it, and hopefully that'll make it hear, you'll be able to hear it a lot better. Also, when I do get tuned, I'm on the 2.5 inlet that boosted 6 offers with their intakes. When I do get tuned, I will upgrade it to the 3-inch inlet, which is a bigger inlet on the intake, sucking a lot more air and obviously make a lot more sound, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully with those 2 and 2 together, you probably hear it a lot better. It'll probably sound a lot nice, you know, more than what it is now. It sounds crazy right now. You gotta like really step on it and beat on it to really hear it. I don't really like it. Do it like, I used to baby my car before I got these intakes. Now that I got these intakes, I ain't gonna lie, I've been beating on this car, and I'm not gonna say it out loud, bro. My car is safe. My car is fine, bro. I be babying my car for real. I'm all up on my fluids. I'm gonna get my diff fluid drained and filled. I'm also getting my diff bushing changed from Z1. But yeah, man, we're on the way to car wash. I'll probably put the camera back up when we're there, so you know, get some nice flicks after a clean wash. Oh, Papa Squat.
I got the Euro bumper, so it has no reflectors right here. What the?
YouTube, we're back. Open the top thing up, man, because it's dark, bro. When you got like 5% all around, mirror tint in the front, man, it's mad dark. Y'all heard that? It's mad dark. You can't see nothing. Open the windows up a little bit. Yeah, man, the car's clean, bro. I don't know why, but I feel like my paint, I gotta either get my car repainted or I gotta get it wrapped, because I don't know, as y'all seen, like the paint looks kind of iffy, bro. It's got like a lot of scratches. I might wrap it low-key. I want to wrap it so I have like my own, I want to wrap it so I can have like my own thing going on, you know, something crazy. Y'all let me know, what color should I run my car? Like, what's a crazy wrap that when people see my Q50, they're like, oh, that's him, you know what I'm saying? I feel like me wrapping my car a crazy color can like really set me apart from other people. Like for example, there's one guy on YouTube. He does raps. I think his name is like Rain's Garage or Rain's Customs. I don't know, but he got a Q50 and it's sick. It's like mad crazy. He got like a body kit on it. I don't know if he got a body kit. I think it's just a different front bumper and he's bagged. But anyways, his car looks mad crazy. And his is like wrapped yellow, and I think he just wrapped it purple not too long ago. But it's crazy though. But people, I'm pretty sure when they see that, they know it's him. Like they're like, oh, that's his car. And that can like really set you apart from a lot of people. So I'm really contemplating on getting my car wrapped, something crazy. That car's crazy flying over them tracks like that. I ain't gonna lie, bro, I'm about to get back in the gym too. Seeing him just motivate. No, that sounds, nah, I'm not hating on him, but like I need to get back in the gym though, for real, because I've been putting on a lot of weight. I've been slacking, man. I haven't been like treating my body well. I just been working, and like when I get off, I'll be mad tired. But I really gotta get back into it. Bro, what should I name this video, bro? I don't even know what I should name it. Y'all gonna see when I post it, but me, I'm over here contemplating what I'm gonna name this video, bro. POV drive to the car wash? Nah, that sounds lame. But my butt is hot. I don't know what this button means. I found out not too long ago my car, I was reading codes and it said airbag, like something with the airbags messed up, bro. There's so many codes that your car can have that it does not show you. And it's crazy. You don't have to have like a check engine light. You don't have to have like a check, damn, why are there so many people out? You don't have to have a check engine light for something, for your car not to be reading something wrong. I don't have a check engine light, but I had like 7 different codes of like malfunctions and stuff. I'm like, damn, dude, holy. I don't think there were nothing crazy. I just got my intakes done, so it was like increased airflow. I don't know, we didn't bleed my heat exchanger correctly, but we got that done correctly, so it's straight now. But yeah, I was giving a code for that, some other stuff, the airbag. But yeah, next thing, honestly, next thing I probably do to my car is gonna probably be my differential bushing. But if I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't know what. I can only think that I mean probably like bushings in general, like especially like the differential, it goes bad over time. But my only guess that it's good is, I don't know, suspension. I don't know, bro. I can't tell you the truth. I need to get it done though, because I think mine was leaking a little bit. Nothing crazy. It's nothing like, oh, I need to get this fixed this week or next weekend. It's not crazy. It's like dry, so it's like leaking like over time. I mean, it's a good upgrade. It's to fit, like it's a good upgrade to do to your car regardless. It's like one of those maintenance things. I don't know if you can really feel the difference though when you're driving it. It's one of those things where you don't notice, but it's actually, you know, benefiting the car. It's more for your car instead of you, you know. Like my intakes, the intakes really is not doing nothing for my car. The air temps are probably a little higher. It's more for me. It's more preference. Damn, bro, you gonna hit me, bro? You're on the car's butt. Where you gonna go? Bro, I want to buy a G so bad. A G37. I want to buy a G37. Bro, there's no way you came out just to put your hazards on. Oh, he got a flat. Damn, that sucks. I don't want to be a dickhead and fly past him. It's cool though. He's giving me time to talk to y'all. See? You see how the world works? But yeah, man. I washed the car and I still got bird dookie on the top. I gotta spray it down with a hose or something. Like I was saying, man, the intakes really don't benefit my car. It's more for like a preference thing. Something for me. You know, you wanna hear the swooshy sounds. I wanna go over this dude, but I can't see around my corner. Show you on the back roads now. Got a phone call. They called, gotta attend. Yeah, man, I'm gonna probably end the video now. It was a calm little POV drive, nothing crazy. So y'all can see. Hold on. Before I end the video, let me show y'all what I got. Damn, bro, let me turn the AC on. Look, y'all see how good my alignment is? Chilling. Hold on, I'm tripping. What's wrong with me? But look at that, man. Some collard greens, some macaronis, and some chicken. Oh my gosh, and some cornbread. I'm gonna eat good when I get home. But yeah, man, I'm gonna end the video here. If y'all do like the video, subscribe, like, all that good stuff, man. We're at 260 right now. We're about to hit 300. It'll mean so much to me if y'all can really subscribe, man. If y'all like POV drives and Q50 content in general, man, subscribe. All right, but I'll see you on the next video.